Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful, very pretty flower stitch pattern. It has this beautiful small flower. See, this is the pattern I have done with this border. You can knit this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater, cardigan, baby's blanket. You can knit in any project you like. See, this is the pattern. It has this beautiful flower pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 10 plus 5 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 10 plus 5 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 27 stitches on my needle, which is 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 extra stitch 25 and 2 edge stitch 27. So row 1, before you start the repeat pattern, first you will need to knit one base row and then you will start the repeat pattern from here. This is the right side, so this is the wrong side and base row. You will knit this base row only this time, only one time. So your edge stitch, purl on the wrong side and purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Sorry. So we have finished our base row and now we're going to start the repeat pattern from here. So for repeat pattern, row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Your edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side and knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Edge stitch, slip purlwise on the wrong side and purl all stitches. We have done our row 1 and row 2. Now row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6 knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6 and draw a loop from this second stitch from this second stitch and third hole. 1 2 3 1 2 3. From the third hole we're going to draw a loop and we're going to make 3 here. Draw a loop, wrap the yarn around, that's going to create 1 stitch and draw 1 more loop. 3, make 3 here. Sorry, 3 here, and then knit 4, knit this 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, draw another loop, make 3 here as well. This like this loop you're going to make here as well. So draw a loop, draw a loop, wrap the yarn around, draw 1 more loop, and 3 here, make 3 here. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and draw a loop and make 3 here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, draw a loop and make 3 here. And repeat that again. We have 1 more repeat. Knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6, draw a loop from this second stitch and third hole. 1 2 3 1, wrap the yarn around, draw another loop, 3, make 3 here, knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4, knit 4, and here draw loop, 1 2 and 3. We have done 2 repeats from here to here, and after you finish all repeats for your last 6 stitch, 2 4 6, 5 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Last 6 stitch, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5 and edge stitch, knit on the right side. So we have done here row 3. Now row 4 wrong side. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, purl 5, and here purl 4 together, 1 2 3, purl 4 together, these 3 loops and this 1 purl stitch, 1 2 3 4, purl 4 together, purl 3, 1 2 3 and then purl 4 together, these 3 loops, 1 2 and 3 loops and this 1 purl stitch, purl 4 together. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, purl 4 together, purl 3, 1 2 3 and purl 4 together. Repeat that again. Purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and purl 4 together, 1 2 3 4, purl 4 together, purl 3, 1 2 3, again purl 4 together, these 3 and this 1, purl 4 together. See, and your last 6 stitch after you finish your all repeats, for your last 6 stitch, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5 and edge stitch purl. we have done this pattern, and now on row 5 we have done these two pattern, and now we're gonna make this pattern. So row 5 your edge stitch, slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. Knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're gonna make this pattern here, right? So first we're gonna draw 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw 4 loops from the 4th hole first. 1. Draw a loop from the 3rd hole. Draw a loop from the 2nd hole. Draw a loop from the 4th hole. Sorry, 1st hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit this stitch, and we're gonna pass over all these 4 stitches. All these 4 stitches we're gonna pass one by one over this one stitch. First we're gonna start from here. First this one sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have here beautiful leaf pattern. See, and knit 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Sorry, from here to here. Knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a leaf here and knit 2, and we have here complete a complete flower pattern. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Knit 7 and make a leaf here. So draw 4th loop. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the 4th hole first. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Draw 4 loops and knit 1, and then pass all these 4 stitches or 4 loops over this one stitch one by one. Start from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, and knit 2. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 6 stitch, 5 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6 wrong side. Row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 6 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 7 right side. Row 7 right side, knit all stitches. row 8 last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8 over and over again until you reach your desired length. See? And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.